We have smell-o-vision back here. Welcome to Oz. One of the coolest things about this distillery is everything is in one room. And from that platform behind me, you could see everything. You could see the cook, you could see the mash, you could see the distillation, and you can see the bottling line. I've been to lots of distilleries in my life. I've never seen that. How many barrels of bourbon does this place make in a day? 2. We run 24 hours now. After a year in the barrel house in the state of Kentucky, what's it called? Kentucky bourbon. Can't do that in all 50 states, can you? You can only make Kentucky bourbon in Kentucky. Can you make bourbon in all 50 states? Yes, you can. It's America's native spirit. So why is it that Kentucky is the bourbon capital of the United States and abroad? There's 4 good reasons. The number 1 reason is that limestone. It's a limestone shelf coming out of Indiana all the way through the center of Kentucky down into Tennessee. Indiana gave that to us, thank you so much. Corn. Kentucky grows a lot of corn. Indians taught us how to grow it. We've been growing it great ever since. Got lots of varieties of corn. Bourbon has to be 51% corn or higher, so we got plenty of corn. Tennessee has a lot of oak trees. Oh boy, do they. We never needed them. We have plenty of our own. But if we ever do, that's American oak. Has to get into a brand new charred American oak container. So therefore, you have to have an oak supply, and we got plenty of it. The one thing Kentucky has that most states do not have, all 4 seasons in one day. Being centrally located in the United States as we are, we get cool temperatures in the morning, warm temperatures in the afternoon, and cool at night. Forces the alcohol in and out of the oak much more frequently than any other state in the United States. That is the reason that Kentucky will always be the bourbon capital of the world. We have those 4 great things that you have to bring it all together.